Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Grok AI. Look at this is Grok 3 for free and free forever. This is free plan that we can use Grok 3 to generate videos. Most people were worried about that we cannot use now Grok which has become paid now and you should pay for generating videos, but today this tool is able to generate videos for free. So I will show you how you can generate videos for free using Grok 3 AI. Let's show you the plan and the result that I generated a video. So I generated this video using Grok 3 and let's play it.
Let's find that treasure. I'll check behind this bush. Whoa, good work, team.
Yes, so this was the result that I generated a video using this tool. This was the prompt that I have used, and you can download this video using just by download, or you can recreate, or you can extend it. It means this was 6-second video, you can make it 10 second. Look at here, you can select 10 second or 6 seconds. Also the pixel 480 or 720 pixel, and here you can select the ratio also 16:9, 9:16, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2. And here you can select normal, extremely crazy, extremely spicy and crazy. So I have selected normal. The result in normal was like this. And here we can select, look at VAO 3.1 fast, that is also, look at the free has been, that is marked as free, and Grok 3 is also free. I think here we can generate using this tool just one video, or that is free. I didn't test that, but I have used, just look at Grok 3 is free. You can see here down, and here you can also select an image, upload an image. So this is all about this tool that I will show you how you can generate videos. So now let's get started. Before starting, hit the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So first of all, we will search here Gemini Gen. Okay, Gemini Gen. So you will see the first website, Gemini Gen AI. Open this website, not Gemini exactly which is provided by Google, but this website, Gemini Gen.ai. So after opening this website, let's close this. After opening this website, you will face with this interface. Look at this. Create stunning videos with AI in seconds. Transform your ideas. I will show you how you can generate it. Okay. So first of all, look at here. You can select different models like VOA 3, VEO 3.1, 2, Grog, Grog 3. You can select all of this. So let's, for example, we will bring a prompt and we will generate first video. Here we can select the ratio 16:9 or 9:16 per mobile, resolution 720 or 180 pixel, and the duration 8 seconds. The duration is 8 seconds by default. So here I have written a prompt, a colorful animated cartoon scene set in a magical forest where this is just a cartoon video that I would like to generate for kids. So simply copy this prompt. You can generate and have your own prompt, and we will paste it here now. After pasting this, here we can select Grok. Okay, the Grok is free. You can use the VO3, but that is just limited, and you can generate one video using that. Later I will show you video, you can see how much limitation you have. So it might ask for to create an account, as so we will create our account also. So let's, first of all, it says normal. So the video quality normal, extremely crazy or extremely spicy, and normal. We will generate normal, and let's press now this button to generate. So let's wait. It is asking us to join our website. We will just use Google to sign up. I will just use my Google account. Wait, it will verify. Verification successful. Let's press now Google. We would like to authorize our Google and to use it. I will click my account, come here down, and we will continue. Yes, we have created our account. Now it will log in as yes, that is it. Let's close this discard option. And this is our prompt. Everything Grok 3 and video 69, 70, 20 and 6 second or 10 second. So let's first of all generate 6 second. Let's press this, verify you are human. Yes, we will verify it. So the verification succeeded. Now let's check what happened. Your video is being created with AI magic. So let's wait, it will complete. Look at The step has been started. My internet connection is very slow, so that's why it is showing like this. Let's wait a minute. Yes, that has been done. Now it will finalize our video. So look at our video has been generated successfully. Look at this is our cartoon video. So we can simply download it or recreate or extend it. Simply let's play it.
Let's find that treasure. I'll check the
Okay, you can hear the sound also. Wow, that's amazing. Amazing result. As I told you, my internet connection is slow. So this was the whole video, 6-second video. Let's play it once again.
I'll check behind this bush. Whoa. Good work, team.
Yeah, this was the result as you saw. That is how you can use now Grok 3 for free. Yes, okay, I will show you now why Grok 3 is free to use it. Simply just come here to the pricing. Now we will see. By default, if you see VAO, if you are using VAO, that is 15. VAO Grok Max is 15 per month, and premium. I will show you why Grok. Look at free here forever, $0, and Grok 3 is free forever to use it. That's how I told you. Okay, this was all about to generate videos and use Grok for free. I hope this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and also leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.